Step number 1, copy this paragraph right here. Step number 2, go to this website, click turn text in a video. Step number 3, place the paragraph into the software and get views like this and make money like this. If you want to make money on YouTube Shorts without showing your face, without talking into the microphone, and without making the videos yourself, you're on the right video. I'm going to show you how to do this in less than 30 minutes a day. Literally just follow this video step by step, and I'll show you a software that makes this extremely simple for you to do. And the best part is that it's 100% free to use anywhere in the world. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you build and scale your online business. With that being said, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube Shorts without making the videos yourself, without being on camera and being completely anonymous. And I want to show you this channel right here called Josh Little J. He got 194 million views within the last 30 days. And you got to remember that this is a lot of views. Just look here, up to 5 million views, up to 14 million views each and every single day. Making videos that's extremely easy to make. Now what he's making videos about, and by the way, this guy is showing his face, but I'm going to show you how to do it without showing your face. But look at this. The most generous man in the entire world, the most genius police escape ever. So these are stories, just a normal tiny little story that he makes into a YouTube short. Now I want to show you this other guy called the Reddit Nerd. Now this is taken from Reddit, but I'm not going to talk too much about that. But I just want to show you proof that people love watching YouTube Shorts stories. So you can see that this guy has 4 million views within the last 30 days. And you could just see the crazy amount of numbers that these channels are getting. And this guy's getting his content from Reddit. But we're going to use a different strategy that's a lot easier, in my opinion. And the last channel is called Mr. Right. And if you look here, 103 million views within the last 30 days, which is also a lot of views. And if you look down here, you can see about 5 million to 10 million views each and every single day, which is just crazy. And he pretty much has the same exact thing. 3 celebrities who gave up fame to work normal jobs. 99.9% of people can't do these things. 3 movie mistakes you definitely missed. And he just integrates these stories that are really funny and entertaining and something that you can use to get millions of subscribers. And this guy also shows his face, but I'm going to show you how to do it where you're completely anonymous. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Step number 1, find a funny story. So just go to Google and search copyright free comedy stories. Here you can go to iComedyTV.com. Just scroll down a little bit and you can see these different stories: cell phones, Barbie, trapped in a monologue, job interview. So for example, if we click on this Barbie story, you can see that this has been viewed 534,000 times on this website alone. And you can see this little paragraph right here. But what we're interested in is we want to make sure that this is legal. So we just want to look at the author's message. No need to ask permission, copyright statement, public use, all right. So now you can just copy the script. Step number 2, make the video. Just go to nvideo.io or click the link in the description below this video. If you don't have an account, it's completely free to use. Just go to text to video and click vertical. So now you can select any of these templates. I will select something that has the text pretty much right up front, something like this. You could check it out if you want to, just view it, and then just click use this template. And then just paste your script in here and add your headline. So we'll just say, being Barbie isn't perfect. And just make sure auto suggest images and videos is ticked on, and then just hit next. And it's going to ask you to rearrange the text. Just click rearrange text, make sure everything looks good, and hit next. Now this software pretty much does everything for you. The only problems that you may have is that some of the images may not line up with the text. but you can always change those. The only thing that you have to really do is go over to video, and here just say something like Barbie doll. Hit enter. Look through here and you could grab this and just grab this and put it right over that. Hit done. But the video is a little too long, so we're going to go into advanced editor and cut it down. You can also have too much text in one image and you can cut that up. But this is just an example, so I'm just going to make it shorter so it'll be less than 59 seconds. You could also put a logo here, but what I'm going to do is just remove it and remove from all scenes. Okay, so I got it to 55 seconds. There's also music here, but I'm just going to delete it just for the purpose of this video, but you definitely want to leave that in. But I'm just going to delete it just for the video. And once you get it all set, just click on download, export. Okay, and now it's finished rendering. So we're going to see what it looks like. And again, they automatically have music selected. I just turned it off just for the sake of this video. So let's check it out. Okay, so now we got our video, and as you can see, it's under 59 seconds. So you just want to download. Step number 3, upload the video. So what you want to do is just go into your upper right, click on create, you get a drop down, just click on upload video, and then just select files and double click on the video that you just downloaded. So our title is Being Barbie Isn't Perfect, and you might just want to put something like funny story. Then we need to put hashtag shorts in the description so YouTube would know that it is a short. And now I want to show you a monetization strategy. This way you can put your affiliate link here in the description and you can make money without being monetized. So you want to be able to make money from day one, from your very first upload. And the way you do that is with affiliate marketing. Step number 4, monetize your YouTube channel. So just go over to Google and search for affiliate program for comedy. And you can find a lot of good affiliate programs if you just go to Google and search affiliate program and then your niche. So since we have comedy short stories for our YouTube shorts, we're just going to search affiliate program for comedy, and we could find some really good affiliate programs for comedy. And I found this, be a next up affiliate partner. And I actually never heard of this before, but this is basically just like a Netflix for comedy. And anybody that's watching YouTube shorts that's funny, they'll definitely be interested in something like this. So it's a perfect fit. So what are you going to get if somebody actually signs up? You'll earn 10 euros for every monthly paying subscriber and 20 for every yearly paying subscriber that you refer. This is paid directly into your PayPal account within 1 month. To encourage high quality referrals and prevent abuse of affiliate scheme, commissions are only valid for when free users become fully paid members after their 7-day trial. So this is not something that you even have to sell. They actually get a 7-day free trial and then they can become paid members. And that's when you'll earn your 10 euros for every monthly paying subscriber and 20 euros for every yearly paying subscriber. And here you can see that there are a lot of people that's actually promoting it. And all you have to do is click on becoming an affiliate partner, venues, brands, and businesses. And then here you just put in your credentials. You definitely want to tick off I agree to receive email notifications like when I earn a commission and other important emails regarding the affiliate program. And then just tick I agree to the affiliate terms, check off I'm not a robot, and you will sign up. And then you would get your affiliate referral link. And I actually never heard of Next Up Comedy, so I had to check out some reviews. And there's some pretty good reviews, great value, lots of great comedians here, and a fantastic way to showcase up-and-coming comics, especially to those people who can't make it in person. More, please. So people think that it's really awesome. There's a lot of good reviews here. So I actually checked through this and it seems like it's really, really good. So basically you would go back here and you would just say something like, watch the best stand-up comedy in the world, and you would just put your affiliate link. And now you have a monetization strategy in place. So now if you make video after video after video, as I was showing you earlier, these channels are getting millions of views, 193,000 views in the last 30 days. The Reddit Nerd, 4 million views over the last 30 days. And Mr. Wright, as you can see, he's getting about 108 million views over the last 30 days. So with all these views, you're definitely going to get people to sign up for this affiliate program and hopefully make a full-time income creating videos. And you're all set. I hope this idea stirred up some inspiration for you to get started and begin to make money online. And if you have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video, please feel free to comment below. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you build and scale your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.